Hey guys, it's Brittany Winery with the Woolett Group at Keller Williams Realty here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today I'm out in Broken Arrow. Let's take a walking tour of this amazing home. So as I turn you around here, we are located in the Emerald Falls neighborhood, which is in Broken Arrow. Gorgeous homes out here, really quiet, peaceful street. This home is full brick and absolutely gorgeous. It's just over 2,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a formal dining room, as well as granite in the kitchen. Let's head on inside. So as we walk up here, you're gonna notice the front patio with space to have some seating. And let's head inside to take a peek. So as we come in, you're going to notice beautiful colors throughout. This home is better than brand new. Really beautiful open floor plan with a formal dining as well as access to your kitchen. And back off the entry right here to the right, we have the 4th bedroom, which is being used as an office. Nice tall ceilings, beautiful neutral paint, lots of windows. Nice big walk-in closet. And let's take a peek at the living room and kitchen. So the living room, very open to the kitchen with beautiful granite countertops. The paint in here is really, really beautiful. It is a split floor plan. So we have the master over off to the right, which connects to the laundry room, a nice big walk-in pantry, and then the remaining 2 bedrooms are down this hallway. Plenty of bar seating with an island as well as a wraparound bar. Beautiful appliances. Let's take a peek at the guest bedrooms. So we've got a full bathroom here. Nice size with storage. We've got a guest bedroom. Nice big walk-in closet. And then we've got another guest bedroom. So this home is 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. One of the bedrooms is being used as an office, so lots of different ways to use the space. And let's go check out the laundry and master, and then we'll head outside, which is probably one of the biggest cool features. So laundry room, 3-car garage. That is the door access to the master bedroom closet. Master bedroom is big and beautiful and full of natural light. The same with the master bathroom. Really great size. We've got double vanities as well as a true soaking tub. And it wraps around here to the shower. Lots of storage. And the master walk-in closet is amazing. You'll have to see that in person. And then let's go take a peek outside. This lot is one of the biggest lots in the neighborhood. It is absolutely beautiful, as well as really pretty trees off the back. So it's massive back here. It's so pretty, so peaceful, very quiet, and lots of potential out here. And then of course you've got some back patio covered space. So for more information on this home, contact the Woolett Group.